Welcome to English 126, Critical Thinking, Shaping of Meaning and Language. I'm glad to see you all made it to the daily announcements. Every time you log into class, this is where you can check for your classwork and homework agenda. Today's classwork is pretty typical. Welcome, glad to meet you. We'll look over the syllabus together where you'll have a chance to ask questions or make comments along the way. If you follow the link in the announcements below, you'll be able to navigate straight to that discussion. Secondly, we will sign up for synchronized discussion times for your small group discussions. This is something that you'll see a little bit more clearly, more detailed in the syllabus overview. So we'll do the signups for week 1 and 2 today. And then as you guys get your schedules adjusted, you can always change your signups every 2 weeks. After that, we are going to sign up for discussion leader weeks, which is another thing that you'll see in the syllabus overview. And finally, you'll sign up for the topic that you want to cover in tonight's homework. I promise that every day won't have this many things to sign up for, and every day won't be this tedious, but it's day 1, so welcome to class, and we will be getting to know each other starting today. Don't forget your homework. You do have homework. Your first assignment is going to be due on Wednesday at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is the due date for all homework assignments that are assigned on Mondays. You should expect to spend about 3 hours completing these 3 different assignments. So the first one is a discussion for the whole class. This isn't going to be a synchronized group discussion quite yet. But it's just going to be a review. So share with your classmates some of the skills that you practiced in English 122, some of the knowledge that you already have coming into English 126, as well as some of the challenges that you confronted in that first English course for college. After that, there's another discussion, which will be an example of what a weekly discussion leader post will be like. This will give you kind of a framework for starting next week when you guys are going to sign up and volunteer for discussion leader posts. And then finally, you have one informal writing assignment, which will be to choose one of the authors mentioned on the syllabus and do a little bit of exploration of their work, who they are, when they lived, just to sort of start getting to know the course content. So as you read through the agenda, you should be able to click on the links for each assignment and each discussion that will navigate you straight to the work that you need to complete. And finally, on every daily announcement, if you ever feel like you have a question or you want more clarification, or if you just want to share some ideas, since we can't raise our hand like we would in a normal classroom, you can use the announcement replies in that same way. So once again, hi everybody. Welcome to English 126. My name is Professor Hughes. I look forward to getting to know all of you throughout this term.